Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use X. So guys, in this video, we are going to be diving deep into the features of X application. So guys, this is a beginner guide, so simply follow along. So first, just simply open the application. And from here, guys, right away, you should be able to see here two options. You can continue with your Google account, or you can simply create an account if you don't have one, or down below you will see log in, and just simply provide your email and sign in into your account. So guys, once you are signed in, you will see here the home button on the bottom left, and from here you will have a for you. So guys, here at for you, this is where you will see newsfeed about the X application. And now if you go to the following, you should be able to see the post of the people who you follow only, so it will show up over here. And then now, when we go to the search icon over here or the magnifying glass, you should be able to see here multiple trends. So from here, you can search whatever you like. Just provide a keyword here at the top on what you want to search. Let's say I'm going to go for dogs. And from here, you will see all of the tweets about dogs, the page, the people. And at the top, you will see here some categories, which is the latest people, media, and list. And now, when we go back, guys, when you tap on these two people here on the middle, as you can see, you will have here the Explorer page. So here on the Explorer page, you will see here random tweets that you can see that you might get interested in. So this is most likely a public feed on the X Twitter application. And when you go to the home over here, you should be able to see here communities. And as you can see, I can go for the design sphere. So simply tap on that and you'll be able to join like a group or a community. And down below, you can just tap on agree and join once you have read their guidelines, and you'll be able to access their community to see what the community is all about. So now let's go back. And from here, the next thing that we are going to discuss is the notification bell. So from here, guys, you should be able to see all of your notifications in your account. So as you can see, there is a warning that there was a login into my account, and we did this earlier. This is why it popped up. And at the top, you can also see multiple categories as well, like the verified and the mentions notification. And lastly, we have the mail icon over here at the bottom. So guys, from here, this is where all of your messages is stored. So from here, you can chat with the people. And if you want to add a message, just tap on this blue icon over here at the bottom. And from here, as you can see, I can direct a message whoever I like, and I can use the search bar over here. Just search the person that you want to message and just simply tap on their profile. And after that, you'll be able to send them a message, and you can message your idols. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.